for me in Gundam Cafe in Japan, but he's using it himself now. Anyways, we're going to Koji, this cafe in Korea. Actually, it's the cafe that Cookie wanted to go to last time, but the branch we wanted to go to turned out to be closed, so that's why we went to Toby's Coffee, which was in another video. And this time we're gonna go to Koji, a branch that is open. Cookie really wants to go, even though it's gonna take like 45 minutes. We've already been driving a bit, so it's gonna be a while.
Hello everyone.
Oh, now he's doing his intro.
Hello everyone.
Hi. 몇 광이야? 한마디 해주세요. 뭐 how do you make Gunpla so good?
My name is Gundam. 3D graphic designer.
Oh, he's a 3D graphic designer.
job.
That's his job.
I love you. Okay.
Hey, no, you only love me.
Yeah.
What?
Everyone, I love you.
What? No. Hey, you can't love everyone. You can only love one person. Who do you love?
Yeah.
에이, 진짜. 알겠어요. 나만 사랑해야지. 다 사랑하면 어떡해.
이게 또 돌기가.
그럴
빨리
수도
가.
있고.
빨리 가.
일단 좀. Hey, what's that? Ooh,
와.
Code G.
이걸 한번 보여줘.
Wow. Wow. What? Crazy. This is actually made out of paper, guys. Paper Gunpla. Koji is a Gundam Cafe franchise with several branches, and we visited the one near Dongtan train station. Notice I did say train, not subway station. You can still get here with a short taxi ride from the nearest subway station. Most of the kits in this cafe belong to the owner, having painted a lot of them himself, and some are for sale. Cookie and I both thought this converged display case was so cool. There are also some other painted kits by other modelers here for sale as well. We both ordered traditional Korean drinks, which turned out to be surprisingly good. And here's a little peek of the owner in the storage area doing some painting. Koji also sells kits, and as expected of a small seller, the kit prices are the original Japanese price tag, so on the high end, especially the P Bandai limited edition stuff. I've been wanting to pick up this mechanical clear RX-782 kit because I have the Zaku one. I'm actually a really big Naruto fan. It does say here you get 10% off with the purchase of a drink. This is really cool. I've actually never seen this before. Maybe something to pick up next time I go to Japan. You guys know I'm such a clear fanatic. 유자, 나는
맛있다 유자차.
계피 생강. 맛있어? 몸에 좋은 거 찍고. 눌렀어. 내가 아니 차이
어?
아무것도 안 눌러도 돼. 다 눌렀어.
다음에.
아니야. 그렇게 하는 영상 그렇게 해야 돼. 하고 있어? 안 찍어도 돼. I got a cinnamon ginger drink. Very healthy. Something hot. Very authentic. Very good. 됐어?
뭐 안 눌렀는데?
내가 눌렀어. One of the things I love about visiting Gunpla cafes where most of the kits belong to the owner is you can really feel their passion for the hobby. I'm always amazed at how many models people own. Haman Khan is on my wish list. Here's some rare kits. The HY2M, basically PG size Goof and Rick Dome. This is a 1:100 scale resin Kshatriya, the only resin kit in the whole cafe, and also Cookie's favorite. Go figure. I really wonder how the owner stirred all this at home before opening a cafe. And I do feel like the reason why most modelholics open a cafe is really to have a place to display and share their toys. Cookie ended up chatting a lot with the owner, who was even nice enough to show us his Gunpla workspace, which you got a sneaky peek of, in the back storage room. He has a spray booth and paints in there, doing commissions and Gunpla work for himself. It was really cool to see. For with the Psycho Gundams, also on my wish list, but the Psycho figures, expensive. Thanks. 어머, 엄청 양이 많아. 오빠도 조금 먹어줘. At a department store food court before going to watch a movie. 자, 한 입 먹어주세요. 그럴 시간 없는데. 어머 맛있게 먹네. 아이고 매워요? Cookie is waiting in line for this bread that everyone is waiting in line for. It's this pop-up store. People always wait in line. Your likes, comments, and subscription helps this channel grow on YouTube and puts me on the path towards making more videos. Thanks everyone. Bye!